Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad and this is Tausug 101. Learn Bahasa Sug and anything Tausug. Today, we are going to learn how to name the different members of our family in Bahasa Sug. Whether you are teaching your children or brushing up on your vocabulary, these are the essential words you need to know. The objective of this video is for us to learn the Tausug words for the different members of the family. Let's get started. Our first word is family or pamilya in Tagalog. In Bahasa we say kaluwarga, 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 kaluwarga. In English, it means the nuclear family. Then we have the word kampung, 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 kampung. Next, we have the word lahasya, lahasya. We can also hear other people say rahasya, rahasya, or lasya, lasya. They all mean the same, which is relatives. Next, we have the word mother or nanay, inay, or ina in Tagalog. In Bahasa we say ina, 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 ina. For the word father or tatay, ama in Tagalog, we say ama, 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 ama. Siblings or kapatid in Tagalog, we say taymanghud, 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 taymanghud. Sister or kapatid na babae, taymanghud babae, taymanghud babae, taymanghud babae, taymanghud babae. Babae means female or girl. For the word brother or kapatid na lalaki, in Bahasa we say taymanghud usog, taymanghud usog, taymanghud usog, taymanghud usog. Usog means male or boy. For elder sibling, nakatatandang kapatid, in Tagalog, we say taymanghud magulang, taymanghud magulang, taymanghud magulang, taymanghud magulang, or simply magulang, magulang, magulang. And for the eldest sibling, regardless if male or female, we say kamagulangan, kamagulangan, kamagulangan. You can see the root word magulang underlined here, kamagulangan. For the words elder sister or elder brother, we say magulang babae, magulang babae or elder sister, and magulang usog, magulang usog for elder brother. Commonly, we call our elder sisters kaka or kakainda, while elder brothers are called kaka or kakauto. Next, we go to the younger siblings or nakababatang kapatid in Tagalog. In Bahasa we say manghud, 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 manghud. For the youngest sibling, we say kamanghuran, kamanghuran. You can see again the root word manghud underlined here, kamanghuran. For younger sister or younger brother, we say manghud babae for female and manghud usog for male. We commonly call our younger brothers or sisters inda, inda for younger sister, and oto for younger brother. Next, we have our grandparents, lolo at lola in Tagalog. For grandparents, in Bahasa we say apo, 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 apo. For grandmother or lola in Tagalog, we say apo babae, apo babae, apo babae, apo babae. Then we have grandfather or lolo in Tagalog. In Bahasa we say Apo usog. Apo usog. Apo usog. Apo usog. Now let's see if you can remember the words. Try to answer the following questions. We will give you 5 seconds for every question before revealing the answer. Let's start with the question. How do you say mother in Bahasa Sug? The answer is ina. Ina. Next, how do you say elder brother in Bahasa Sug? The answer is magulang usog. Magulang usog. Next, how do you say younger sister in Bahasa Sug? The answer is manghud babai. Manghud babai. So how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, let's review the words we learned today. Kaluwarga. Kaluwarga. Kampung. Kampung. Lasya. Lasya. Ina. Ina. Ama. Ama. Taymanghud. Taymanghud. Taymanghud babai. Taymanghud babai. Taymanghud usog. Taymanghud usog. Magulang. Magulang. Magulang babai. Magulang babai. Magulang usog. Magulang usog. Manghud. Manghud. Manghud babai. Manghud babai. Manghud usog. Manghud usog. Apo. Apo. Apo babai. Apo babai. Apo usog. Apo usog. You can download a printable copy of this lesson. Just click the download link in the descriptions below. And with that, this is Ahmad from Tausog 101 saying magsukul salam kasilasa. Thank you. Please subscribe to support our channel so that we can help preserve the beautiful language of the Tausogs, which is Bahasa Sug. You can contact us with the following details. Thank you for listening and salam kasilasa.